In today's episode, we're going to tackle this part of the patio. Now I'm going to clean my whole patio, but it's going to be 2, maybe 3-part series because it's getting ready to rain today and I'm trying to at least get that clean, the dirt off before the rain hits because it's really gloomy out here. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get to work. Never stop exploring. There's always something new at the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hold on. Okay, I finished scrubbing the patio, that part. So now it's all about that drying. So once it dries, I will take you guys out there and let you see how it looks once all that water dries off of it. And then the next part we're going to do is we're going to move the furniture out there, and we're going to clean the furniture. And we're going to clean the furniture next. The pillows, the chairs, the carpet. We're going to get all that off the patio. We're going to clean that down, let that dry. And then we're going to clean up here, this part here. And then we're going to set it back together. So that's going to be maybe a 3-part, maybe 4-part series. But I got this part done. It whooped my ass. I got it scrubbed. I got the bricks around it looking decent. So I will catch you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.